traders, I'm just currently looking at Uniswap chart here on a weekly time frame, and this is traded down into a big level here. You can see all through here, big liquidity zone, and it's reacted off it. Question is where to from here. Let's go down the time frames and have a look at it on the daily. Okay, at the moment we've got this price action here, higher high, higher low. It's pulled back down and it is currently eating into the sell stops that are sitting here. Even though this is bearish, I question whether we see further downside. Now we could do. Let's have a look at it on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour time frame, yeah, you see there's a trap here because a lot of traders are going to be looking at this price action on the 4H and not looking at the bigger picture. And if you look at this, then the natural progression would be, you know, higher, low, high, low, retrace, sell. So you want to be really careful. Always look at the big picture, right? So we've got this level under here, this support zone that it tapped into and pulled back from. Yeah, it could pull back into it. So I would go down to the lower time frame. I think my bias would be potentially to buy rather than sell. And I would be keeping an eye on this on the 15-minute chart. So this could head in either direction, right? So now we're looking at this trend possibly continuing, right? Or it could head down. So my key thing would be to keep an eye on this high and even go to a 30-minute. Let's just do that. All right. If this breaks structure, okay, if we get a break at this high, I'd be looking to buy. If not, then I'd be looking to sell. Right, so just be really careful with this at the moment. Yep, the down is definitely in a downtrend, and you know, you could get sucked into that, right? So I think my bias would be to actually buy. Let's just have a quick look at Bitcoin, see what that's doing. Bitcoin at the moment, just remove 8 drawings. Yeah, look at this price action on Bitcoin. Look, hang on a sec. 30-minute chart, look, lower highs. Break of structure here, okay. Bitcoin could possibly roll over. Just go back out to a daily. Yeah, and I'm thinking, look, if Bitcoin loses ground, the rest will most likely follow. Okay, look at that, all right. And we got this gap under here, right? This is overextended. So let's just go back 30-minute chart. I'm thinking, yeah, look, we might see more downside with Uni, possibly. All right, given that Bitcoin could lose ground, right? So just keep an eye on this previous range, this one, this high, this low, and follow price action, right? So I'll just take that out. Follow price action insofar as this now, break of structure, 30-minute. If it comes back and fails here, then I would sell, probably there. That would be my sell, all right? So sell here if price break structure, BOS, bearish. So if price breaks structure bearish, that would be my plan of attack. Sell if price breaks structure bearish. And breaking structure. I'm talking about this one here. That's my play with Uniswap at the moment. And then, you know, just keep an eye on this low, and you know, further down, this range under here. Look left. Actually, we could mark up some targets. Let's just go out to a daily and mark up some potential. If this is going to continue bearish, I'm going to mark up this low here. Mark them in yellow, right? So that'd be a target. Yeah, I mean, look, this low would be a target, and then down in here, something like that, potential target. So let's just go back now 30 minutes and yeah, look, we've got some potential target areas. If it breaks structure, it looks like it might want to. So guys, I think that wraps it up for Uni. I'd really love it if you commented. Let me know your thoughts on this. Share your ideas. Yeah, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Hang on. And I'll see you in the next one. Just set that up. There we go. Sell if price breaks structure, bearish here. Alrighty. Have a great day, guys. And yeah, take it easy out there. It's a pretty crazy market.